The compact SUV segment in India is booming, and to cater to that very need,
Introducing the XUV 3XO RevX, which sits between the AX5 variant priced at Rs 11.19 lakh and the AX7 variant priced at Rs 12.9 lakh respectively. Today we have the RevX TGDi variant with us.
design-wise you get the same vertically oriented headlights with C-shaped DRLs with integrated indicators.
Body color grille to distinguish the RevX variant from the rest of the lineup. From the side profile you see the new 16-inch wheels finished in piano black and matching piano black roof rails. The dual tone color combination is new to the variant, and you also get RevX badging here.
Once inside, you are greeted with dual-tone paint scheme, a 10.25-inch driver's display, and equally big infotainment touchscreen,
Dual zone climate control, one of the rare features of this segment.
wireless charger, 2 cup holders, and a storage compartment which also acts as your handrest. Now this here is an automatic transmission variant, but you can also opt for the manual version.
The RevX specific all black Leatherette seats give this car a rich and premium feel. The same continues in the rear seats, and thanks to the Panoramic Sunroof, which is a new addition on a low variant.
The cabin feels really roomy, the handrest and the headrest make you sit comfortably, and you also get reading lights, 2 AC vents, a small storage compartment, and a Type-C charging port. On the rear we get a full-width LED light bar, a 3XO badging, a chunky bumper, and a RevX badging again here. And finally at the rear you get 364-litre boot space, perfect for your small weekend trips.
The updates specific to this model are Panoramic Sunroof, Leatherette black seats, dual tone roof, piano black alloys, and body colored grille.
So that is the Mahindra XUV 3XO RevX. What are your thoughts? Let us know in the comments below.